Welcome to part 3 of my How to Detail series. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly clean the outside windows after you've done your drying. Because as you may have noticed, there's streaks, water spots, there's everything on the window after you've dried the car. So today, I'm showing you how to clean all that. The product I'm using today is Armor All Window Ceramic. So what this does, it leaves like a small ceramic coating on your windshield for excellent water beating properties. So let's flip the camera over and we'll get cleaning the windows. So with this product here, all you need to do is spray the window down like so. Let it sit for a minute. Grab a high quality microfiber and then just wipe away. Flip it inside out just for extra drying. Oh, all I smell is that ghost pepper that we had.
You're welcome.
And that's it. That's all you have to do. The window is nice and clean. There's no spots, no streaks. And it has a small ceramic coating on it, so whenever this gets wet, the water will just bead right off. So I'm going to continue to do the rest of the windows and we'll go on from there.